Hey guys, it's Caitlin, and do you know what time of year it is? School time. No one likes going back to school. You get homework, cranky teachers that love complaining about their life, and any chance of sleep is gone.
Going back to school can't be that bad.
Wrong.
But what about the weekends?
No. During school, the weekends seem like they're a type of escape, but they're not. It's Friday at school and surprise, you get a project. Surprise, 300 pages of math homework. Surprise, 3-page essay translated to Russian due Saturday night by email for German class. Teachers are ruining weekends everywhere, one project at a time. Just kidding, it's more like 12 projects at a time. Even though going back to school can seem like the worst thing in the world, there is one small silver lining. Back to school shopping. You get the binders, the backpacks, the paper, the notebooks, the crayons, and the markers, and suddenly the school year doesn't seem so bad because you have all this new exciting stuff. But then you remember that it's school, so it's not exciting anymore. That's it for this video. Leave me a comment below letting me know what your least favorite or favorite part about going back to school is. See you next time! It's not, ugh. Can't talk today.
What about the weekends?
Weekends.
Weekends! But the weekends!
You're saying weekends.
The weekend!
3-page essay translated to Russian for email in German. What? There's hair in my mouth. Teachers are ruining. What are they ruining? What are teachers ruining? I don't even know. What did I write? This is getting heavy. What am I supposed to say?